Good morning friends, thank you for watching my previous video. Now I am here with the same cube and I have completed the first layer as I had shown you how to do the first layer in the last video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to do the second layer. It's very easy. Now since first layer has been completed, now you have to follow the center color. Since it is since it is orange, you have to search which center piece has orange. Since this has orange, this is also orange, but it is not in the lower layer. We are not considering it now. We have to bring that orange just below the original orange, and we have to see which is what is the color in the downside. It is green, so it should be here. This should be here, this orange here, and this here. Now since we have to put this thing here, we are moving the bottom row in the other direction. We had to put this thing there, we moved it here. Okay, now do it in left side, do it in clockwise direction, then bottom anti-clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Since this is replaced from this point, now we will follow the same thing which we followed in the first video. Remove that point and remove that color from this lane, this cube, what can we call that? Okay, remove that block from this lane, bring this block down, bring that block again back, and then put it back. By doing this, we can observe that this cube, this block has come from here to here. Now we will repeat the same procedure. Just keep in mind that whatever color you are choosing for making the pair, making it here or wherever, its bottom part should not be yellow, because if it is yellow, it should be here only. It shouldn't be here or here. Okay, so like this is red or blue, so it should be matching with red and blue. Now this blue should match this, and red should be here. So we will do the same thing in the other direction. Bring it down, bring it back, up, and now since this white has been displaced from here, other direction, down, back, and then up. Boom, we have got this. Now we can see two arms placed. We can do it very easily. This orange should be here, so in the other direction, bring it down, bring it back, bring it up, other direction, down, back, up. Boom, we got it. The last but not the least. Okay, so we are searching for red. This is very important. We are searching for red, but here red is here, green is here, so we should go for the green one. Green and red. Don't try to make this thing with the red one. Since green is matching by the side, red is down, so do it from the green way. Other direction, this cube should be here, so turn it other direction, turn it in this way, back, above. The white has been misplaced. Other direction, down, back, and above. Boom, second layer is completed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.